Hi, I'm Mike, and I'd like to introduce you to my channel, The Nerd Is In. So primarily what I'm going to be doing on this channel is all things nerdy. Well, maybe not all things nerdy. You got to have some focus. So I'm going to be focusing on programming. Well, programming for the beginning student, first year. And the two languages I'm going to start you out with is C# for Windows, so we can write Windows programs in a graphical user environment, and C++ for console, because so many textbooks still do console C in, C out stuff. I'm also going to be doing PC hardware repair, disassembly, reassemblies, and best practices, because I've been teaching that for a long time. Also, I'm going to do a section on tech news, but, you know, I might wander off into something else, like politics. No, definitely not doing politics. Not doing politics. So please join me at the Nerd National Communication Center as we make this journey to learn about all things nerd. I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll come back often. See you soon.